Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix SharePlay not working on iPhone and iPad. Let's start the video. Launch the settings menu on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down to find General and tap on it. On the General menu, tap on Software Update. Here, make sure that you have updated your software. You are not using the beta version or older version. Method 2. Turn off on FaceTime. For that, launch the settings menu on your iPhone. Scroll down to find FaceTime and tap on it. Turn off FaceTime. Now wait for few seconds, then turn it back on. Method 3 is turn on SharePlay. Launch the settings menu on your iPhone. On the settings menu, scroll down to find FaceTime and tap on it. On the FaceTime page, tap on SharePlay. Here, make sure SharePlay is on. If it's already on, turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on.